block God from saving you because He promised. He doesn't save us or save you because of your wrong or right, because He promised. He saved us to become of Father Abraham, Father Jacob. You understand? Because of Jesus became a covenant. So believe, not believe, you are saved in Manu Military. So if you refuse to do what God asked you to do, as Jonas refused to go to Nineveh, read the book in the Old Testament, he found himself in Nineveh. You understand? In reverse. They took him, threw him into the water. The fish swallowed him, vomited to Nineveh. You understand? They refused Jesus to be a king. In Manu Military, they put him on a crown of pin, mockery. For God, he became your king. You understand? Agree, disagree. Because Jesus was born in crisis, Mother Mary answered to Gabriel. And God came in wisdom of Gabriel, proposing Mary. So Mary is supposed to say, I have a fiancé. Salvation by use of five senses. That's what God wanted. I can't get Jesus. I have a fiancé. Then God was going to integrate Jesus into them after their marriage. And it was going to be the achievement of Israel. Because Israel is the nation of God chosen. So the own nation of God rejected God. So if they own rejected God, God moved into non-Jews. When God moves into non-Jews, He doesn't tell you what to do. You tell Him. That's why Jesus asked those, let the dead bury their dead. One of the disciples, the father died. So you see very well. Lazarus was resurrected, the girl. You see, they die again. It was a fake waking, teaching and learning truth. There shall be many fake when they came into truth. It means for God, what you have done is teaching and learning. That's why a car caused accident kills you. You see, you keep on discovering, yes. So God set a time for once discovery. Before under carry the five foolish, say we got money, we got rise money. When the all of our lamp is going to finish, we are going to buy. So when it finishes, they went to buy. The master came and entered the five wise. So we start the wisdom of one's wisdom. So if you take the Old Testament, the 10 law, because here I calculate God here. Here in Christology, we don't believe. You understand? Because believe makes you hypocrite. Here we prove is a sign, symbol, logo. Right? We prove God. Because the same God in the Bible we call him Holy Ghost fire. Jesus achieved. So me, I achieved the wisdom of conversion. But baptism in water, Jesus achieved, was converted into baptism in spirit, spirit into motor, motor into fire, fire into light, light into rays. We are the rays. You know the rays? The Salavatica was achieved, become the 27 book. It means the 27, the apostles, right? Because the 12 tribe and the 12 disciples, apostles, if you integrate it, it gives us 24. And the 24 is the 24 hours we count. You understand? And the 2-4 is 4-4. God gave to Moses 7 light, 2 5 stones, and 12 bread. If you sum it up, because here I told you get your calculator, let us calculate. 7 plus 25 plus 12, it give you 44. 44, it is the 24 hours we live. It's 2-4, that is in God count. For God, 24 is 2-4. 2-4 is 4-4. Because it's no 2-4, yes, it's 4-4. But 4-2 is 2-2-2-2. 4-2, right? So number in the base 10 and a number in the base 2. In analog electronic, when we discover, so the number in the base 10, these are the number we are using, they are in the base 10. Now base 2 become 10 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2 is to give you 5, the 5 senses. 10 minus 2 become 8. Our God is a number 8. Can you see on a calculator? In electronic, if you see in what you're gonna see, there are 8, 8, 8, 8. So it means a number in the letter they are 1. From number 8, you know these ones, yeah. So how many branches? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 8 has got 5, 6, 7. So a number 8 has got 7 branches. So from number 8, you can get 1. If I want 1, 1 is these 2 branches. Okay. If I want letter I, you see, it's the same. So electronic or a computer or laptop or tablet, it is an integration of a letter and number as one. So when we talk about byte, because we have been served in number letter calculations and reduction. So the tablet is achieved, so can you Google quick? I put it aside. Now we carry the calculator. So on calculator, you have 1 to 9. So 1 to 9, 9 is a permanent number. Can you see 9 is add up? And the reverse of 9 is 6. And if you take 6, you see the 10. This is 0, 1. You understand? It means 10 law for Moses and 2 digits. It means in science, when we discovered the technology, because Einstein is a Jew. Most of the scientists are Jews. And God bless their gift and talent. So in science and technology, we discovered that number in base 10 can be converted into number in base 2. So base 2, what we're going to achieve, you see the first TV, for example, it was using too much current. It became analog. So the digital, when you divide by 2, the TV could have used less voltage. Because here current was used much, here voltage, too much current, here less voltage. You understand? So we got the digital. Now 1001 is 69 again, energy. So if you look at 69, reverse is like letter J, become our Google. So in reduction, salvation in reduction or subtraction, this is we, and the division. So we have these signs on our calculator. So calculator, besides the number, you have got positive, you have got the sign, a symbol of addition, times multiplication, a sign of division. You see they put the things like this, then negative and equal. Okay. So if you convert it, because you're in the wisdom of conversion more than transmigration, here it become parallel, here you see with these two, and it become like this. So these two can be again parallel. It means it's like this, parallel, 1 2 3 4, and then 0 0. And then 0 0, these are the 2 dots on your calculator. So can you see the parallel wisdom? So it means for God in wisdom now, the 7 lights we have made in this calculator, a radio, a TV, a phone, you see they use a battery. So battery becomes slavery. They are temporal teaching tool. So God set a time for we to use this in permanence, as you see stars in heaven. So stars in heaven, they are always permanent, right? So we use rays now. We don't use solar. You understand? Because solar, see, there's global climate change. We are not going to be able to have this solar panel. Solar, the temperature will be high. Those cells will be melt. You understand? You see, when you come closer to the sun rays, it will be too hot because we are moving into eclipse. We've got to prepare another planet for us, that is Mars, red moon. So we need to go to planet Mars. So this tool, we must use them wise. So here in Christology, we calculate God becomes God count, man count. So our God count, as I was saying, let's put a parallelism between God and man. So God, man, 3 letter 3 numbers, as Jesus, David. You understand? 5 letter 5 numbers. Count. We will count. Me, I am brutal version. When me I write, you count. Then here you can see David at 30 years he took Jerusalem. 30 years just preaching about his paradise. 33 years of Jesus, 33 years of his ancestor. It means it became the 33 of his ancestor. Jesus became king prophet. 7 years he ruled the Jews. Jesus 7th day. So